bottle of very trendy pink water. Excellent new machete. I thought Glenn might like this guitar. Maybe he plays. No drugs. You?
Yeah, ibuprofen. And these. What are we doing?
Pulling supplies together.
No, I mean, what are we doing? People off in the woods. Days looking for that poor girl, and we're here. Why? Because they think we're the weakest. Well, what are you, 70?
64.
And I'm the one black guy. Realize how precarious that makes my situation.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm talking about two good old boy cowboy sheriffs and a redneck whose brother cut off his own hand because I dropped a key. Who in that scenario you think is going to be first to get lynched?
You can't be serious. Am I missing something? Those cowboys have done all right by us, and if I'm not mistaken, that redneck went out of his way to save your ass. More than once.
And don't forget about Andrea. Killed her own sister.
She was already dead.
And wants to blow herself up. Yeah, she's all there.
She's having a tough time. What is wrong with you?
The whole world's having a tough time. Damn, man. Open your eyes. Look where we are. Stuck in this mess here. Let's just go. Let's just take Darby.
You've gone off the deep end.
I mean it, man. Why we on the side of this road like live bait? Let's go. You and me. Let's go before they get back.
Oh, my God, you're burning up. Give me that. Come on. Here. Take these. We gotta knock that fever down.